Listen up carefully. One of the perfect skills humans should accomplish is the art of presentation. After the adolescent period, a person starts to engage with the social scenarios and develop their own presentation style. Naturally, someone got excellent presentation style or someone not, because nature gifted some abilities to someone and the rest should achieve them with hard work. This is one of the principal rules of life. Most importantly, your presentation is not confined with your speech or your articulation. It starts with your appearance through all your minute gestures. So evaluate your presentation style carefully and try to make positive changes if needed. I will give you an infinite example of perfect presentation. It's about moon. The moon has been an inspiration for lovers and poets due to its appearance and the way it illuminates the night with moonlight. Even though the moon doesn't produce its own light, it reflects or presents sunlight in its own unique way. If you like this, present this video to your friends and relatives and share it maximum.